the number 4003. And we're going to do a little work with it, one more, one less, and so on and so forth. So I've laid out the number 4003 on my rug here, my virtual rug. And we're going to just do this activity little bit by little bit. So if we were to have one more added, then we would have 4004. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 4004. And we're back to the number 4003. Ooh, edit undo. We're back to the number 4003. So 4003, now we need to do one less. So now if I do one less, I have the number 4002. 4002. And then we're going to go back to the number 4003. And we're going to do 10 more. So now we have 4,000, we have 0 hundreds, a 10, and a 3, which gives us the number 4013. 4013. Put our 10s back, we're back to the number 4003. So what happens now if we had to do 10 less? Ooh, we don't actually have 10 here to give back, do we? So we're going to go ahead and break down our 1,000 cube because we know that our 1,000 cube, excuse me, we know that our 1,000 cube is made of 10 100 squares. So we're going to go ahead and get 10 100 squares out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and move my mat around a little bit here so that we have a little more space so we can see all of these. And spread them out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. All right, so I'm exchanging 1,000 cube for these 100 squares. And I'm still just trying to get them organized so that we can see them very well and do our math work with no error. So I made my exchange for my 10 hundreds, and now I am still trying to take 10 less, and I still don't have any 10s, so I exchanged 1,000 for the hundreds. Now I can exchange the hundreds for 10 bars. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I need a bigger rug than this virtual one, and 10. So I have 10 bars, and finally I can take 10 less. So if I put my 10 less back, that actually gives me the number 3,000. I see it here, 3,000, and then I have 900 squares. 900 squares. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars, and 3 units. 3,993. All right, so let's go back and get back to our number 4,000. And with our 3 units here, so we can start working in our hundreds. All right. So we've built our number 4,000. 3 again, which is our number we started with, 4003. And now we're going to take and add 100 squares, so 100 more. 100 more. Now we have 4,100. We don't have any 10s, but we do have 3 units. So 4,103. All right, let's go back to our number of 4,003. And now let's take 100 less. Oh, here we go again. So I don't have 100 to give. So I need to make some room here. I think I can exchange 1,000 for my 100 squares, but I need 10 100 squares to make that exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oop, wrong thing, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I got my 10 100 squares in exchange for this 1,000 cube I'm going to put back. Now I can take 100 less. I can take 100 less, and I'm left with the number 3,000. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. I have 0 tens, and I have 3 units. So my number is 3,903. 3,903. So now I'm going to go and put my 100 squares back. I'm going to make the number 4,003 again. 4,003 again. This is quite some beadwork without some beads. Alright, so I have my 4,000s and I have my 3s, my 3 units here. Now I need to add 1,000 more. That one was easy. It gives me 5,003. And if I start back with my 4,003 and I do 1,000 less, that gives me 3,003. All right, great place firework with our beads.